In Texas, there are exemptions from the electrical licensing requirements for certain individuals. According to the Texas Administrative Code, Section 229.1112, maintenance electricians employed by educational institutions are exempt. This means there is no legal requirement to obtain an electrical license while working in that capacity. However, if pursuing a journeyman electrician license, the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, or TDLR, requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. These criteria include, firstly, being at least 18 years old, secondly, possessing a high school diploma or its equivalent, and thirdly, having a minimum of 4,000 hours of documented, supervised, on-the-job experience under a licensed master electrician or a licensed electrical contractor. Since the supervision was not under a licensed master electrician, it does not currently qualify towards eligibility for the journeyman examination. To address this, firstly, verify the exemption status directly with the TDLR to ensure a complete understanding of current regulations. Secondly, explore alternative paths to accumulate the required experience. This could involve gaining equivalent experience under a licensed master electrician or electrical contractor, potentially at another organization or through a formal apprenticeship program. Thirdly, connect with local electrical associations or unions. These organizations often offer guidance, resources, and support in finding qualified supervisors and navigating the licensing process. It is also essential to maintain thorough records of work experience. This documentation should include detailed logs of supervised IOs and comprehensive descriptions of the projects undertaken. These records can be crucial when demonstrating qualifications to the TDLR. Remember, while holding an electrical license is not currently a legal necessity due to the exemption for maintenance electricians at educational institutions, pursuing a journeyman license can significantly boost professional standing and unlock further career prospects. It demonstrates a commitment to the profession and enhances credibility within the electrical field. When documenting work experience for the TDLR, ensure the records are as detailed and organized as possible. Include dates, specific tasks performed, the types of equipment worked on, and the names and license numbers of the supervising electricians. This level of detail strengthens the validity of the experience claim. In addition to seeking guidance from electrical associations, consider attending industry workshops and training sessions. These events provide valuable opportunities to network with other professionals, learn about the latest technologies and best practices, and stay updated on changes to the electrical code. Active participation in the electrical community demonstrates a dedication to professional development, which can be beneficial when seeking opportunities for advancement or alternative paths to licensure. Furthermore, carefully review the TDLR's specific requirements for documenting supervised experience. The TDLR may have specific forms or templates that must be used, and adhering to these requirements can streamline the application process. If there are any doubts or uncertainties, contact the TDLR directly for clarification. Obtaining clear and accurate information from the source can prevent delays or complications later on. In the pursuit of a journeyman license, it is also crucial to understand the scope of work permitted under that license. A journeyman electrician is typically authorized to perform a wide range of electrical tasks under the supervision of a master electrician or electrical contractor. These tasks may include installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. Familiarizing oneself with the specific responsibilities and limitations of a journeyman electrician ensures compliance with regulations and promotes safe work practices. Moreover, consider the long-term benefits of obtaining a journeyman license. While it may not be legally required for the current position, it can open doors to more advanced roles, higher earning potential, and greater job security. A journeyman license is a recognized credential that demonstrates competence and expertise in the electrical field, making one a more attractive candidate for employers and clients. In addition to formal training and supervised experience, self-study and continuous learning are essential for success in the electrical profession. Stay abreast of changes to the National Electrical Code, commonly referred to as the NEC, and other relevant standards and regulations. Utilize online resources, industry publications, and professional development courses to expand knowledge and skills. The electrical field is constantly evolving, and a commitment to lifelong learning is crucial for staying competitive and providing high-quality services. Furthermore, consider the ethical responsibilities of an electrician. Electricians have a duty to ensure the safety of people and property by adhering to codes and standards, using proper techniques, and avoiding shortcuts or compromises. Upholding ethical principles builds trust with clients and colleagues and enhances the reputation of the profession. When seeking guidance from electrical associations, inquire about mentorship programs. A mentor can provide valuable support, advice, and encouragement throughout the licensing process and beyond. A mentor can share their experiences, offer insights into the industry, and help navigate challenges. Building a strong professional network can be instrumental in achieving career goals. Additionally, explore opportunities to volunteer for electrical projects in the community. Volunteering can provide valuable hands-on experience, expand skills, and demonstrate a commitment to service. It can also be a way to give back to the community and make a positive impact. When documenting work experience, be sure to include photographs or videos of completed projects, if possible. Visual documentation can provide compelling evidence of skills and expertise. However, ensure that any photos or videos comply with privacy policies and do not violate any confidentiality agreements. Moreover, consider joining a professional organization for electricians. These organizations offer a variety of benefits, including access to resources, networking opportunities, and advocacy efforts. They also provide a platform for staying informed about industry trends and best practices. Active involvement in a professional organization demonstrates a commitment to the profession and a desire to contribute to its advancement. In addition to technical skills, electricians also need strong communication and problem-solving abilities. Electricians often work directly with clients, contractors, and other tradespeople, and effective communication is essential for ensuring that projects are completed safely and efficiently. Problem-solving skills are also crucial for diagnosing and resolving electrical issues. Develop and refine these soft skills to enhance overall effectiveness as an electrician. Furthermore, consider the importance of safety in the electrical field. Electricians work with potentially dangerous equipment and materials, and safety must always be the top priority. Follow all safety procedures, wear appropriate personal protective equipment, and take precautions to prevent accidents and injuries. A commitment to safety protects oneself and others and ensures the integrity of the work. When seeking alternative paths to licensure, explore opportunities to work on specialized electrical systems. Gaining experience with different types of systems, such as renewable energy, industrial controls, or data communications, can broaden skill set and make one a more versatile electrician. Specialization can also lead to higher earning potential and more career opportunities. Moreover, consider the importance of continuing education in the electrical field. Technology and regulations are constantly changing, and electricians need to stay up to date to maintain their skills and knowledge. Take continuing education courses regularly to expand expertise and remain competitive. Continuing education also demonstrates a commitment to professional development, which can be beneficial when seeking opportunities for advancement. In addition to formal education and training, electricians can also learn a great deal from their peers. Collaborate with other electricians, share knowledge and experiences, and learn from each other's mistakes and successes. Mentoring relationships can be particularly valuable, as experienced electricians can provide guidance and support to those who are just starting out. Furthermore, consider the importance of documentation in the electrical field. Electricians are often required to create detailed drawings, schematics, and reports. Accurate and thorough documentation is essential for ensuring that electrical systems are installed and maintained correctly and that any problems can be diagnosed and resolved efficiently. Develop strong documentation skills to enhance overall effectiveness as an electrician. Moreover, consider the importance of customer service in the electrical field. Electricians often work directly with customers, and providing excellent customer service is essential for building trust and establishing a good reputation. Be courteous, professional, and responsive to customer needs, and always strive to exceed their expectations. Excellent customer service can lead to repeat business and referrals. When seeking opportunities for advancement, consider pursuing certifications in specialized areas of the electrical field. Certifications demonstrate expertise and competence in specific areas such as renewable energy, industrial controls, or data communications. Certifications can enhance career prospects and lead to high earning potential. Furthermore, consider the importance of networking in the electrical field. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other electricians online. Networking can provide valuable opportunities to learn about new technologies, find job opportunities, and build relationships with potential clients and employers. A strong professional network can be a valuable asset throughout one's career. When documenting work experience, be sure to include details about any specialized training or certifications that have been obtained. This information can demonstrate expertise and competence in specific areas of the electrical field. Also, include any awards or recognition that have been received for outstanding work. This information can showcase skills and dedication to the profession. Moreover, consider the importance of staying organized in the electrical field. Electricians often work on multiple projects at the same time, and it is essential to stay organized to ensure that all tasks are completed efficiently and effectively. Use tools such as calendars, to-do lists, and project management software to stay on track and avoid overlooking important details. A well-organized electrician is more likely to be successful and provide high-quality services. Furthermore, remember that obtaining a journeyman license can provide a sense of personal accomplishment and pride. It represents a significant investment of time and effort, and it demonstrates a commitment to the electrical profession. Earning a journeyman license can boost confidence and self-esteem and provide a sense of validation for skills and expertise. In addition, be prepared to answer questions about your work experience during the journeyman exam. The TDLR may ask about specific projects that were worked on, the types of equipment that were used, and the challenges that were encountered. Being able to articulate experience clearly and concisely can demonstrate competence and knowledge of the electrical field. Finally, remember that the electrical field is a rewarding and challenging career. Electricians play a vital role in ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems, and their work is essential for modern society. A journeyman license can open doors to a fulfilling and successful career in the electrical field.